Daddy.
Can you blow a kiss?
I want to do that.
Thank you.
We gotta start cleaning up.
Can you clap? Oh, blow kisses. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. That's not clapping. That's so big.
Clap, clap, clap.
Gotta get your hands together.
Clap.
Clap.
Bang your hands together like cymbals.
Yay, baby.
That's bang on your tray.
How big is Morgan? So big. Let me see. Okay. Bye, Morgan.
Ah.
Ah.
She's saying bye.
Oh, is that what she's saying?
Yeah. I can do baby talk.
Oh, you can. Hi, Morgan. 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 Can you blow mommy a kiss? Good girl. Yeah. Oh. Oh. You okay? You want to blow me another kiss? Can you blow me a kiss?